Workato Business Automation Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to Workato are in the description below. In this video, I'll be reviewing Workato, an advanced business automation platform designed for enterprises looking to automate workflows across multiple applications without the need for coding. Whether you're managing complex operations or looking to streamline processes, Workato provides a powerful, scalable solution. Workato stands out with its enterprise-grade automation features. The platform is designed to handle complex workflows, enabling integrations between thousands of apps and services, including CRM systems like Salesforce, marketing platforms like Workato, and even accounting software like QuickBooks. It allows for seamless data synchronization and real-time actions, making it ideal for businesses that need to connect various tools in their tech stack. One of the key features of Workato is its drag-and-drop recipe builder, which simplifies the automation process. The recipes are essentially pre-built templates that allow you to easily set up automations between apps. Whether it's creating new records in your CRM or sending out automatic emails based on customer interactions, the platform allows you to build complex workflows without writing a single line of code. Workato also excels in advanced data transformation, allowing you to clean, filter, and modify data in real time as part of your automations. This is particularly beneficial for businesses that need to manipulate large amounts of data or ensure information is in the right format before passing it on to another system. Another standout feature is its scalability. Workato is made for enterprises with large teams and a broad range of needs, handling high-volume automation while maintaining reliability and speed. The platform also offers excellent security features, ensuring your data remains protected throughout automation processes. Overall, Workato is a robust automation platform designed for large businesses with complex needs. While it's not the easiest platform for beginners, its flexibility, scalability, and deep integration capabilities make it a go-to choice for enterprises looking to enhance their workflows. Check out the description below for more information and links to get started with Workato today.